The 2020-2022 Kia Sorento key fob battery replacement is a straightforward process using a CR2032 battery. First, gather your tools: a new CR2032 battery and a small flathead screwdriver or coin. Locate the small notch on the back of the key fob. Gently insert the screwdriver or coin into the notch and pry the two halves of the fob apart. Avoid using excessive force to prevent damage. Once open, locate the battery held in place by a metal clip. Use the screwdriver to carefully pop the old battery out, noting its orientation. Usually, the positive side, plus, is facing up. Discard the old battery responsibly. With the key fob open and the old battery removed, take your new CR2032 battery and insert it into the metal clip, ensuring the positive plus side is facing up. Correct polarity is crucial to avoid damaging the circuit. Align the two halves of the key fob and snap them back together, ensuring the seam is even and fully closed. Test the functionality of the key fob by pressing the lock, unlock, and trunk release buttons. The LED indicator should light up. If the fob doesn't work, double-check the battery orientation and ensure it's a fresh, quality battery. If problems persist, consult your Kia dealership.